Introducing the new Mengo MagnaSnap Mini Magnetic Air Vent Mount. Included in the box are instructions, 2 metal backplates, and the MagnaSnap mount. With its sleek and simple design, the MagnaSnap mount makes mounting your devices easier than ever. To use the MagnaSnap mount, attach one of the metal backplates to the back of your device, inside the cover of your device, or on the outside of the device case. For the strongest grip, have direct contact between the metal backplate and the MagnaSnap mount. To use the MagnaSnap mount, choose between one of 2 size slots on the mount and push it all the way into the air vent in your vehicle. Then, attach your device with the metal backplate to the MagnaSnap mount. With its 360-degree swivel capability, mount the device at whichever angle suits the driver's needs.
Reusable and incredibly versatile, gear ties can be used to bundle, organize, or secure just about anything. You'll want to keep them handy around the house, in the garage, at the work site, and on your next outdoor adventure. The bendable wire inside provides strength and holding power with a simple twist, no knots required, making them easy to put on and take off. The durable rubber coating won't mark or scratch your gear, and is comfortable and easy to manipulate in your hands. What makes the gear tie coating truly unique is the patented design in which it is extruded over the wire and bonded to it at the molecular level. This means that the rubber won't pull away from the wire even under high tension and after hundreds of uses. Available in a wide variety of sizes, there's a perfect gear tie for any job. Wrapping headphones and power cables, securing bread bags and phone cords, wrangling pool noodles and garden hoses, organizing extension cords and tools, packing sleeping pads and fishing rods, locking down coolers and tackle boxes, and so much more. The different colors can help you locate the right cable in the bottom of your bag or help to sort out whose cord is whose. Waterproof and safe for use in fresh water and salt water, these gear ties are tough enough to withstand all the elements. Pick up some gear ties, and you'll wonder how you ever got by without them.
You weren't always here. You worked your way through the ranks. And along the way, you learned never to compromise for quality. Introducing the Truss from BRAINWAVZ. The Truss is all metal made from die-cast aluminum. Using powerful 3M VHB tape. Provides convenient storage for both your work and play headphones. The Truss, only from BRAINWAVZ.
Brighten your world with Firefly. Firefly can be used anywhere, from outdoor parties and cookouts, to camping trips, to bike rides, or even as an emergency light source. Each lantern weighs only 6 ounces. The LED lights are charged naturally by solar power using the panel on top, and it can also be charged on the go using the included USB cord that attaches magnetically to the top of the lantern and plugs into any USB power source, from your computer, to your car, to a wall adapter in your house. Using LED lights built into the lid, the lantern offers 4 different lighting settings to give it flexibility to add just the right amount of light to any outdoor setting or event. The low setting gives 25 lumens for up to 8 hours per charge. The medium setting gives 50 lumens for up to 4 hours. And the high setting gives 100 lumens for up to 2 hours. There's also a flashing setting to add some special charm by mimicking the look of fireflies in the garden. For some cases, you could also call it an SOS effect. Our Firefly lanterns even capture the green color of fireflies, along with a white option for a more neutral look. We think they look best when using multiple lanterns together. Firefly is also incredibly durable. The outer bulb is made of soft, flexible silicone, which can't be broken, and the top is made of impact-resistant plastic. By partly unscrewing the top and then repositioning the handle, you can even collapse the lantern down so it can be easily stored in small spaces, like backpacks or car glove boxes. They're even waterproof.
Have you ever needed more webbing than your tie-down strap allowed? Or have you wanted to rig your own tie-down system? Then meet the ultimately versatile dual CamJam 1-inch webbing tensioner. With 2 cam locking mechanisms, you can add this buckle to any 1-inch flat or tubular webbing to create the most versatile tie-down system you'll ever use for securing loads of all sizes. These arrows help you to feed the webbing through the buckle correctly. After fixing one end of your strap to an anchor point, use the first cam to position and lock the buckle exactly where you need it along your webbing. Then after passing the webbing through the other anchor point, the second cam on the front of the buckle works to tighten and secure your load. This fixed end configuration allows you to use half the amount of webbing compared to standard tie-down straps, or you can still use your strap in a traditional looped configuration. The tough and durable zinc alloy buckle has a working load rating of 600 pounds, though your webbing may have a lower break strength. So be sure to check the manufacturer specs of your webbing and do not exceed the stated working load limit. The next time you need to hang your hammock, lock down gear, or secure an oddly shaped load, reach for the versatile and strong dual CamJam 1-inch webbing tensioner from Nite.